to fire its cylinders, it needs to have three things: fuel, air, and a spark. And if all those things happen at the right time and at the right sequence, then your vehicle will run perfectly fine. But if one of those things get messed up, it will kind of stutter your vehicle, and that's what a misfire is. Most misfires will probably happen while you're driving, but they can also start when you're starting up your vehicle. Most will probably dissipate within a few seconds or so, and you might think, hey, that's a good deal. That misfire was just something kind of weird that happened, and it's fixed now. But that's actually usually a sign that something is going on with your engine, and misfires can lead to way worse damage in the long run, so you might need to take it to your local mechanic to have that checked out.